Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to finish up Chapter 4 on subtraction strategies. When we come back from Christmas vacation, we'll be ready to start Chapter 5, which will be about place value. So we're going to do a review today, and then we're also going to take the test. So if you have your papers ready, we can do the review together. And as you see the yellow highlighted words, these are some vocabulary words. Number 1 says circle the correct answer. Count back. Look at the two number lines. We're trying to find the answer to 6 minus 2. So which one of these number lines shows them using the number line to count back? Would it be this first one? You need to look at the arrow and the direction that the arrow is going. So this first one shows you that you're starting at 6 and you're going back this way. And this number line over here shows you're starting the 6 and you're making 2 bunny hops going that way. Which one? Circle the number line that shows counting back. Number 2, fact family. Okay, we're going to circle the example of a fact family here. Is this whole group here a fact family where you have 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences, and they're using all the same numbers? Or is this a fact family where we have 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences? Oops, nope. These are all addition. So is this one the fact family? No, it is not. And another reason that it is not the fact family is because they're not using all the same numbers. This one has 6, 4, and 10. This one has 6, 4, and 10. But this one has 5, 5, and 10, and 8, and 2, and 10. They do all equal 10, but in order for them to be a family, they should all be involving the same numbers. So that first one is the fact family. Okay, so this is a review. It's okay for me to help you out and go over the answers. So I am going to go back. I guess I was kind of treating the first one there as if it was the test or the quiz. So which one of these? I showed the direction, but yes, the one that counts backwards is the one that's going, oops, got to have my pen working. The one that's going backwards this way. So this one is the one that shows counting back. This one where you start at 6 and go this direction, that would be addition, counting forward. 6 plus 2 would equal 8. That's not the one that we want. Okay, number 3, missing add-in. Okay, remember add-ins are the parts that you add. So we are talking about addition in both of these. Okay, this one says 8 plus 3 equals 11. Is there anything missing there? No. But look over here. Yeah, this one is the one that shows a missing add-in because one of the add-ins is missing. Okay. Now, number 4, the difference. Is this the difference where the arrow is pointing to 9 that's in front of the minus sign? Is that what we call the difference? Or is it over here where the arrow is pointing to the 5, which is the answer to the subtraction problem? Which one is the difference? Yes, I hope you circled this one. That one is the difference. Okay, turn your paper over. And now they want you to use the strategy of counting backwards, counting back from 7. So you put 7 in your head, and then, let me get my pen. You put 7 in your head, and then remember you're going to count back 3 numbers. Okay, touch your head and say 7, and then count backwards. What's before 7 is 6, 5. Oh, my numbers are not looking good. My pen's not working right. And 4. Let me try that again. Maybe I need to make that a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we're going to make 3 Count back 3 times. The number before 7. 7, touch your head. Then 6, 5, 4. So yes, 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now count back 2 times from 9. 9 in your head, count back. 8, 7. So the answer on that one is 7. Okay, use the number line to help you subtract. Okay, 11 minus 2. So remember, when we're using the number line, we're going to start at 11. How many hops do we need to go backwards? 2 hops. So the answer is 9. 11 minus 2 equals 9. All right, now let me see if I can erase that so that we can do the next one. Okay, 10 minus 1. So where are we going to start? 10, and we're going to only subtract 1. Oh, I got to get that pen. 10, start on the 10, only make 1 bunny hop, and so you're going to land on 9. Yeah, 10 minus 1 equals 9. Okay, on 9 and 10, you need to add the doubles fact, which is at the top, and then subtract. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. And so then now subtract. 12 minus 6 equals, you got it, 6. The doubles fact, 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 equals, yep, 16. Wow, that's funny. Okay, and then now subtract. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Okay, now on this one, we have we've got these 3 numbers here. We've got 8, 3, and 5 in a little triangle. Okay, and this, we're going to make a fact family using these numbers. Okay, if 3 plus 5 equals what? 8, because that's the other number that's left here in the triangle. And then the other addition, we can go the other way. 5 plus 3 equals still 8. Okay, and now let me get rid of these. I don't know if I can. Not that precise, I guess, on my, yep, just have to go back here. I was trying to erase those dots, but I have to touch them exactly right, and I couldn't do that. Okay, so now we have to do the subtraction sentences. In a fact family, there's 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. Remember, with subtraction, you've got to always start with the bigger number, which is 8. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. And then 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5 equals 3. So we're using all of those same numbers here that's in that triangle. Okay, now find the missing add-in. Well, to find, here's the missing add-ins right here. In order to find the missing add-in, then, you can think of the subtraction sentence, because this missing add-in is also going to be the difference here in these subtraction sentences. Okay, so anytime I need to find the missing add-in, I think it's easiest to start with the smaller number. Okay, we're looking at 5 and 12, which is the smaller number. 5, and then count on and stop at 12. So put 5 in your head and count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The missing add-in here is 7. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. And the related subtraction sentence is 12 minus 5 equals 7. Okay, same thing. Start with the smaller number. Which is smaller, 9 or 14? Yeah, 9. So put 9 in your head and stop counting at 14. Ready? 9 in your head, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and stop. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The missing add-in is a 5. So the related subtraction sentence is 14 minus 9 equals 5. Very good. Okay, now there's another page. Let me clear this. That's part of our review here, some story problems. Paige writes two related facts using these numbers. She uses these numbers right here. Oh, get my pen. Come on. There we go. Using these numbers right here, we need to write some related facts. Okay, we're going to do one addition and one subtraction. So remember, with addition, part plus part equals the whole. Which ones are the parts and which one is the whole? Well, if you remember, the whole is going to be the biggest number. So part plus part equals the whole. The 12 is the biggest number, so that's going to be the sum. So we can do 8 plus 4. Part plus part equals the whole. And then for subtraction, which number has to go before the minus? The biggest number, yes. The biggest number, and then minus one part. Doesn't matter which part. Okay. And equals the other part. Okay. So it could also be, the other addition sentence could also be 4 plus 8 equals 12. Oh, I went off the edge here. Oh, let's see. Come on. There we go. I'll scoot this over. 12. Oh, lost my pen. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. 12. There we go. And then the other subtraction sentence could be 12 minus, if we did 8 first, and we could do 4 first, and then equals the other part. Okay, so either one of these, this could be the answer, or this one could be the answer. Okay. All right, now I have to erase that circle because I can't read all of the words over here. Okay. Jason caught 15 fish. Ashlyn caught 7 fish. How many more fish did Jason catch than Ashlyn? Okay, so this is we're comparing the difference, okay? So if Jason caught 15 and Ashlyn caught 7, the difference is how many more Jason caught. 15 minus 7. Now, I don't know what strategy you might want to use, if it's counting back or drawing counters, to find the missing number. We could start at 7 and count on 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 8 plus 7 equal 15? It sure is. All right, and last one. Chris has 14 jump ropes. What doubles fact shows the number of jump ropes that Chris has? Okay, so we're thinking of doubles fact. Is 7 plus 8, is that a doubles fact? No. Okay, 7 plus 8 does not equal 14. So it's not that one. And is this a doubles fact? 14 minus 5 equal to 9. That's not even, a doubles fact. It's not addition. Okay, so now 7 plus 7, that's a doubles fact. 6 plus 6 is a doubles fact. But this one says 7 plus 7 equals 14. And this one says 6 plus 6 equals 12. Well, the facts are both correct, but which one goes with this story that tells us how many jump ropes Chris has? Well, it says Chris has 14 jump ropes. So this is the only one that makes real sense. It's the reasonable one. 7 plus 7 equals 14. And not this one, because they're talking about 12 jump ropes. Okay. And one more side of your paper. And just a real quick review. Again, this is counting back. If you're trying to find 12 minus 3 equals blank, you pause the video right here. You go ahead and write the answers there as you're counting back, and then we'll restart and find out if you're correct. Okay, we're back. 12 in our head, count backwards. The number that comes before 12 is 11. Oh, my pen. Okay, the number that comes before 12 is 11, then 10, and 9 if I'm counting backwards. So 12 minus 3 equals 9. Okay, now use doubles. 10 plus 10 equals 20. So 20 minus 10 equals, you got it, 10. Okay, now this is probably the trickiest one. This was the trickiest lesson, I think, of the whole chapter. Okay, so where we have to make a 10 and then subtract. We're trying to find the answer to 17 minus 8. Okay, so first of all, if we're going to try to make a 10, then we got to think about this. 17 minus 7 will give us 10. There we go. And so if we break this 8 into this number 7, 7 plus what equals 8? 1. Okay, so then that means we're going to take that 10 that we have over here, and we're going to subtract the 1 that we have here, and that equals 9. Yeah, 1 less than 10 is 9. So guess what? 17 minus 8 equals 9. Okay, and then the missing add-in. Anytime you have a missing add-in, start at the smaller number, count on and stop at the biggest number. So 5 in your head, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. So 14, whoops, 5 plus 9 equals 14, and therefore 14 minus 5 equals 9. All right, I think you are ready for the test. Okay, good luck.